we've been talking about buying a house for forever, but now that we're married, it's official and we're back on the market looking at houses. And we actually came across this open house in Spring Branch, Texas. So let's go check it out. That house was absolutely gorgeous from the outside. Just the big, beautiful windows, just everything about it from the outside was just absolutely stunning. But as soon as you got inside, so much work needs to be done. I'm talking like at least, again, I know nothing about houses, but I can only imagine like $100K minimum to fix this house. And I just, with what they were asking, with how much to put it in, and then thinking of like resale value and the location, and just we're just super far from an HEB. That's like huge for me. It just, I don't know, we just didn't love it. We just didn't love it. And plus there were tons of California plates everywhere, so I'm pretty sure that thing is gonna get snatched up probably today or tomorrow. It was their first open house in the weekend, as the gal working it said. But overall, it was amazing, and I think it's cool that we're just in the process of house hunting. And yeah, did y'all love it? I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and hopefully we find our dream home soon, whenever the time is right. I hope y'all had an amazing weekend. Mine was awesome, and until the next time, happy Monday minute. Bye!